Well said, Dr. Batu. Well, in another development, child rights activist Wale Ojo-Lanre has slammed a 50 million naira lawsuit on Peter Obi for allegedly involving a toddler in his political rally in Lagos. The activist had on October 27th filed the motion before a family court in Lagos and joined the mother of the underage child, the federal government, and the Attorney General of the Federation. In the lawsuit, Ojo-Lanre argued that it was illegal, misleading, unlawful, exploitative, and abusive for the presidential candidate to post a picture and video of the toddler via his Twitter handle while referring to her as a poster child. The activist is also seeking an order to disqualify Peter Obi from participating in the 2023 presidential election for condoning, adopting, encouraging, and allowing the usage of the toddler for his rally, contrary to sections 29 and 33 of the Child Rights Act of Lagos State and Article 36 of the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Children, 1981. Dr. Bati, over to you. A lot of questions here. I mean, is this going to affect the campaign in any way at this point?
Well, the first thing to establish is this. My good friend, Ambassador Wale Ojo-Lanre, is suing as a concerned Nigerian and as a litigation friend. And he wants to insist on Articles 29 and 36 of the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child, 1981. The first question that the family court to which he has gone in the Ikeja, Lagos State will ask, what is his bona fide in the matter? Because for you to go to court, you must show probable cause, for your action. What is his own in the matter? The respondents that he has joined include the Attorney General of the Federation, the Labour Party, even the mother of the toddler. And part of his prayers is saying 50 million, the court should rule that 50 million should be paid in damages by the respondents. Who are they going to pay that money to? Wale Ojo-Lanre.
No, he's also said that they should take the child away from the mother.
That the child should also be taken away from the mother and put in a remand home. Okay? Now, that's part of it. The other thing that he's also asking from the respondents is that Peter Obi should be disqualified from being presidential candidate. Look, Peter Obi was not even at that rally on October 1. He was not the one carrying the child. This was an event that was organized by private individuals on October 1 in support of Mr. Peter Obi. The only thing that Mr. Peter Obi did was to put out a tweet on October 2. And it's important to understand the context. He was saying that, look, he's in the presidential race to secure the future of young people like this. The young lady, the toddler, who is wearing Nigerian colors and carrying the Labour Party flag, Mr. Peter Obi described her as a poster child. So if a father or an uncle or a mother takes his child to go to a political rally, how is it the headache of the Labour Party or of Mr. Peter Obi as a person? The court has already fixed the hearing for the case. It will be interesting to see the issues that will be canvassed in the law courts. But this will look like a vexatious and frivolous, litigious act. And I hope that the court will so determine.
All right.
Because Wale Ojo-Lanre will not be able to explain whatever damages he has suffered as a result of this particular
damages the child has suffered.
Or he himself. Because it's busybody. It's busybody action.
Yeah, I mean, Dr.
This is what they call busybody action.
Dr. Bati has said it all. Because, when you look at it, the rally was never organized by the Labour Party.
Yeah.
These are support groups. And it was a random moment. The child was picked up. It wasn't that it was preempted. And somebody picked the child up after the excitement, and the child was waving the flag. I think the mother of the child was even interviewed afterwards and said people have been reaching out to her, I think even to give her money and stuff since that thing happened. So all of a sudden, then you have a legal case, and then the candidate should be disqualified. From where to where? Some things happen in this country. But anyway, he has gotten the public attention.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, at least Arise TV is splashing his pictures on screen now, so he's
well, all right.
because I don't get it. I mean, I'm not a